Samuel L. Jackson and Ray Romano. December 21's Wild Celebrity Connections. Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're unboxing December 21's glorious tapestry of stars, legendary premieres, and surreal encounters. This cosmic date brims with iconic birthdays, jaw-dropping transformations, and stories so vibrant they'll make comets dance. If you crave quirky trivia, time-warped revelations, and laughter that echoes through history, you've arrived. Hit subscribe, ring that bell, and join our quest unraveling secret celebrity chapters. Let's celebrate these luminaries shining beyond imagination. Number 20. On December 21, 1970, Elvis Presley met President Nixon at the White House. The unexpected meeting became an iconic moment, blending pop culture and politics, sparking curiosity and widespread fascination. Number 19. On December 21, 1937, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs premiered. Walt Disney's first full-length animated feature amazed audiences and cemented Disney's place in cinematic history. Number 18. On December 21, 1967, The Graduate debuted. Dustin Hoffman's portrayal of Benjamin Braddock captivated audiences, with its themes of youthful angst and memorable soundtrack by Simon and Garfunkel. Number 17. On December 21, 2011, Mission: Impossible – Ghost Protocol premiered. Tom Cruise's daring stunts, including scaling the Burj Khalifa, redefined action films, and thrilled audiences worldwide. Number 16. Born on December 21, 1948, Samuel L. Jackson will be 76 on December 21, 2024. Known for his commanding presence, he has starred in numerous iconic films across multiple genres. Number 15. Born on December 21, 1937, Jane Fonda will be 87 on December 21, 2024. An acclaimed actress, activist, and fitness guru, she remains a powerful cultural figure. Number 14. Born on December 21, 1966, Kiefer Sutherland will be 58 on December 21, 2024. Famous for his role in 24, his intense performances have defined modern TV thrillers. Number 13. Born on December 21, 1969, Julie Delpy will be 55 on December 21, 2024. The French-American actress and filmmaker is known for her roles in the Before Sunrise trilogy. Number 12. Born on December 21, 1965, Andy Dick will be 59 on December 21, 2024. Known for his quirky and unpredictable comedic style, he has had a notable TV and film career. Number 11. Born on December 21, 1957, Ray Romano will be 67 on December 21, 2024. Best known for Everybody Loves Raymond, his humor has warmed audiences for decades. Number 10. Born on December 21, 1940, Frank Zappa died in 1993 aged 52. His innovative music combined rock, jazz, and satire, making him one of the most unique artists of his time. Number 9. Born on December 21, 1946, Carl Wilson died in 1998 aged 51. As a member of the Beach Boys, his harmonious vocals helped define the band's signature sound. Number 8. Born on December 21, 1942, Carla Thomas will be 82 on December 21, 2024. Known as the Queen of Memphis Soul, her hits like Gee Whiz left a lasting impact. Number 7. Born on December 21, 1954, Chris Evert will be 70 on December 21, 2024. The tennis legend's consistent dominance earned her 18 Grand Slam titles and global admiration. Number 6. Born on December 21, 1959, Florence Griffith Joyner died in 1998, aged 38. Known for her speed and style, she set records that still stand in track and field. Number 5. Born on December 21, 1935, Phil Donahue will be 89 on December 21, 2024. His pioneering talk show format influenced modern television, addressing controversial and thought-provoking topics. Number 4. Born on December 21, 1955, Jane Kaczmarek will be 69 on December 21, 2024. She is best known for her role in Malcolm in the Middle, earning critical acclaim. Number 3. Born on December 21, 1944, Michael Tilson Thomas will be 80 on December 21, 2024. As a celebrated conductor and composer, he has shaped modern classical music. Number 2. Born on December 21, 1926, Joe Paterno died in 2012, aged 85. As Penn State's football coach, his legacy includes numerous championships and decades of leadership. Number 1. Born on December 21, 1892, Rebecca West died in 1983, aged 90. The British author and journalist was known for her insightful writing and strong feminist perspectives. Thanks for venturing through December 21's Stardust Parade. If these tales thrilled, amused, or inspired you, hit like, share the enchantment, and subscribe now. Each click unlocks more radiant sagas hidden in time's treasure chest. Don't miss our next episodes, where legends whisper new truths and laughter illuminates forgotten corners. Together, we'll keep discovering cosmic tapestries woven from celebrity dreams. Smash subscribe, stay curious, and let history's starshine guide us.